we're gonna be reviewing the HRT tactical harness and placard they sent out to me. What's up guys, the Nutty Tactician here again for a new review at the Nuthouse studio. Alright, there's a lot of things about this harness and placard that I like. There's only a few things that I don't like. We're gonna start off with the likes because there's a lot of them. So first we're gonna take off this. Alright, these mag retention is very good. It's not gonna come out or fall out. I'm running around, getting on the ground, rolling. The fit on this is great. Fits tight, it's not going anywhere. Same with the pistol mag pouches. Good retention. They did come with bungee cords right here. I took them off because I didn't like them. I thought they got in the way of whenever I was putting a mag back in or taking it out. Also has a pouch where my knife is, so you can put desirable items in there. Molly webbing on the front of this placard. I do intend on building a holster to put on this molly webbing. Draws down right here and I can pull from there. You have a couple molly webbings here for adjustability. You have your buckles, easy release buckles, and easily adjustable as well for your lower torso and your chest on both sides, as you can see. And you can grab them fairly easy and insert them, and adjustability is great with these. Pull it tight or loosen. On the back where my patch is, you can put pouches, bags to hold medical supplies, extra ammo, whatever you desire. So that's a nice feature. I do intend on getting one of those pouches to probably put medical supplies back there. So for right here at the top, the placard has buckles to lock into this harness. On the back of the placard is attached by very strong Velcro. Comes up just like that. And so if this Velcro was ever to fail, you have those buckles right there to catch it. But as you can see how difficult that was to pull off, you are probably not gonna have that Velcro fail. And I really like that about this. It makes me feel really good that I'm not gonna have this placard just go flying everywhere when I'm running or jumping or climbing or whatever I'm doing. And it works really well if you are running an AR. It sits fairly nice out there. You can still get to your mags, except for this front one, just the way I run it. But whenever you're aiming, get to it easily. And with your pistol. You can get to it very easily. Very functional. Like I said, the retention on it is fantastic. I'm very excited to see how it's gonna wear and how the retention is gonna loosen up, or if it doesn't loosen up. So we'll take it off and we'll get kind of a better view on it. So there's the back. That's where you put the pouches and it'll molly web in there so it's nice and secure. And Velcro is the same as on the front where this placard goes. These also range in multitude of colors. So you can have, this is the Coyote Brown, you can have multicam, you can have black, and I think there's a couple others. Very nice selection though. So this is the pouch I was talking about. That's where my knife goes. So this pouch is also held together by Velcro. And you can stick whatever you want in there. I just like to keep my knife there for now until I can get that holster built, and it locks in there very tight. That's not coming out very easy. So we'll get it back on, everything back in there, do a couple runs with it to demonstrate more. As you can see, fairly easy to get to these buckles. You're not having to strain yourself to get to them and lock them in. Magazines go in there nice. Your pouch isn't closing up on you, so you have to finger it to get it open. It stays open, so you can easily insert your mag. I think it's gonna wear pretty good. Practice with it a lot, and the retention on it Doesn't seem to be failing. Same with the mag pouches. They have good retention and they don't seem to be failing. Get some more runs in to show you. Very easy to get to. Nice retention, great color. I like the options that they give you of color all around. It's a very good product. All right, so if you have enjoyed this review on the HRT tactical harness and placard, we're gonna have the links in the description on where you can pick it up at and choose your color. Choose it wisely. I'm very satisfied with this product. They did an amazing job. Very happy with it. You can find me on, of course, YouTube and then Instagram at fanning_tactical, which will be in the description. And that's probably gonna wrap it up for this episode. So, stay tactical.